Self-awareness is something that most people claim they have, but actually they don't.
Not sure. Just became self-aware.
Being aware of your nice guy syndromes requires a high level of consciousness and self-awareness. And according to sitecentral.com, journaling is one of the single most powerful ways you can do to achieve a better self-awareness. And that is why I made a Notion template for you all to be more self-aware of your nice guy syndromes. And it's completely free. In this template, you'll find a complete list of nice guy syndromes listed down by Michael Parisher in his book and also his explanations. Using this template is very easy. You just have to go through all of the aspects of your life and list every single nice guy syndrome you have on each aspect. Write down as much as syndromes as possible as you can, and also include a specific example of why you say you are doing that nice guy syndrome. For example, you say you are self-sacrificing, and so put an example there. With my girlfriend, I always let my girlfriend sleep with other guys because she said she wants to, and in this case, I sacrifice my peace of mind. Just as an example. Now, you don't have to share it with people because it can get really personal, but I highly encourage you to seek the people you trust, the friends you trust, ask them about the nice guy syndromes you have, and ask them about how you behave when you are committing a single syndrome. You can discuss this with anyone you feel safe with, preferably a person you trust, a family member you really trust, and friend. You just ask them for some feedback on how are you behaving when you are committing this nice guy syndrome. Now, being self-aware is a very great way to elevate your nice guy syndromes, but you need a daily consistent habit to get yourself out of this rut of this consciousness of nice guy that's stuck in your subconscious mind, because your nice guy person is still in the subconscious mind. Even when you're aware, it is still in your subconscious mind. So click here and I'll show you a very simple daily habit that you can do to change that. I promise you, this is one of the most important videos and most valuable videos I have ever made. And until then, take care and be a fucking rock.